I was just going to show you a quick way to actually record the stickman figures that appear on the Kinect, because the standard recording tool doesn't actually record those figures that appear as stickmen. So we'll just start by down here by booting up a normal recorder, and then we open the toolkit. So there's no actual reason to use the recorder that we've just fired up. So if you're using Windows 10, so we'll just load that up. We'll get a stickman. Let's see if we can get a stickman. Right, so there's the stickman. Just right, here's the secret. So if you press the Windows key and G, you'll be greeted by this menu saying, do you want to open the game bar? So if you put yes, this is a game, and then you press start recording. Then if your PC is compatible, unlike ours, then it would start to record the clips. So that's Windows G. So you can take screenshots, and you can also record your stickman.